Welcome back guys. In this tutorial I'm going to show you all how to install the theme and the important plugin which you'll be needing to build this site. So first thing is installing your theme. So go to appearance and select themes. So for our portfolio site I'm going to use a 2017 theme. Select it and click activate. It shows it's active. Let's go and visit the site and see how it looks. Yeah, theme is installed successfully. Next, we need to install an important plugin which is used to build the site. So let's go to the dashboard, click on plugins and click. So in the search, click on add new and the search plugin option, type page builder. Elementor page builder is the thing which we are going to use in our thing. So I have already downloaded it. So first click install now and then activate that. Please do watch this video guys, it's very important and it will show you how to build pages using this thing, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.